Hello student, today we are going to take three examples on NFA. NFA is nothing but non-deterministic finite automata. How we are going to solve these examples? First, the example is given. Draw NFA where the string, or we can say ABB, is as a substring with an alphabet A and B. Okay, means what? When you are drawing NFA, that time ABB will be substring. Now students, we are going to see which are the strings or valid strings for this question. So minimum string is ABB, as they are saying this is a substring. So here I can write substring. Okay, so if it is a substring, that time before this ABB there will be multiple A's, and then we are writing here ABB. So in this full string ABB is a substring. This might happen that it will start with multiple B's and then we are writing ending with ABB. So in this string again ABB is a substring. Now we will do reverse of this, like there is starting with the ABB and ending with multiple A's. Also start with ABB and ends with multiple B's. Now the both combinations now we are doing means what? That is, a substring is ABB. Before that there will be the combination of multiple A and B's. So I'll randomly writing here the string ABAAB and also ending with combination of AB. So BAABBA. Okay, so now you can see here it is a substring. Same, this might happen in a full string, the ABB are coming with multiple times. So A B A B B B A B B A. So you can see here ABB is coming multiple time and so on. So now let's start how we are going to draw NFA for this question. So you can see the minimum string is what? ABB, and before that we can put multiple A's, multiple B's, combination of A, or after that we can put multiple A's, multiple B's and combination of multiple AB's. So minimum string I am going to draw here for ABB because it must comes in a every string. So here I will draw Q0. This is a state, first state, which is initial state. Then I'll go towards Q1 on A. From Q1 to Q2 I will go with B, and from Q2 to Q3 I will go with again B. Okay, so now ABB, this is done, ABB and stop. Q3 is the final state, Q0 is the initial state, and minimum string will be ABB. Okay, next one is what? That is, before ABB there will be multiple A's. As we know that we are drawing NFA, so student, always remember one thing, that in NFA you can go with the same input symbol towards other state, like A, and here I am writing A. So this A's source is this state and this A's source is this state, means same. So this is allowed in NFA, but it is not allowed in DFA. So according to this, that if we are writing A, B, B, so before that we can write multiple A's. So here I am writing self loop, I am giving self loop and putting A. Okay, so take multiple A's and then you can end with ABB. Now third one, multiple B's and then ABB. So here we have given self loop on A, same we can give for B. So this is also done. Next one is what? The string will start with ABB and then ending with multiple A's. So it is starting with ABB and ending with multiple A's. So here I will give self loop and will write here A. Same happening ABB and then ending with multiple B's. So give here comma and you can put B. Okay, so this all is done. Now let's start with the next one, that ABB is a substring and before that there will be the combination of multiple ABs and after that also there will be combination of multiple A and B. So now let's start. We are going to see हमें कुछ ऐड करना है या नहीं करना है. So let's start. A, yes. B, here only. Next one is A, here. A, again self loop. B, self loop. A, this one. B, this B. Again B, means this B. Then multiple number of A's and B. So B, A, B, B, A. So now this NFA is satisfying with the question, like the string which is having substring as ABB over an alphabet A and B. So this is the answer. Now don't forget to write state transition table. So here we are drawing state transition table. So here it is a delta. Here you have to write input symbol. So I am writing here 2 input symbols are given, A and B. How many states are there? There are 4 states. So Q0, which is a starting state, so putting an arrow. Then here it is Q1, here it is Q2 and here it is Q3. As Q3 is a final state, so putting subscript as a star. So Q0 on A, Q0 on A. Now Q0 on A, it is going towards Q0 only. So I am writing here Q0 comma. Why I am giving here set? Because there are from Q0 there are 2 arrows for input symbol A and second A is going from Q0 to Q1. So putting here Q1. Okay. So Q0 on B, Q0 on B, it is a self loop. So destination is what? Q0. Q1 on A, there is no such arrow from Q1 on A. So putting here 5. Q1 on B, Q1 on B, it is going towards Q2. Q2 on A, same here, there is no arrow from Q2. So we are putting 5. Q2 on B, it is going towards Q3. So we are writing Q3. Q3 on A, it is a self loop. So destination is what? Q3 itself. So writing here Q3 and Q3 on B, again it is going towards Q3 only. So student, you can see this is NFA. From this NFA we draw state transition table. Now final you have to write the definition of NFA. What is that? That is capital Q as number of state, summation as input symbol, delta as a state transition table, Q0 for initial state and capital F for final state. Now from this NFA we will write this capital M means definition. So I'll start from this. Now how many Q means state we have used? Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. So write a set here, Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. Input symbol, only two input symbols we have used, as the question is there over an alphabet A and B. So I am writing A comma B. What is the delta? Delta already we have drawn. Next we will move to Q0, which is the initial state. From this NFA, initial state is Q0 itself. So I am writing Q0 and final state is Q3. So this is Q3. So in university, while you are solving this NFA, that time 3 marks is given for NFA. Okay, 1 mark is given to delta and 1 mark is given to definition. Students are just solving this NFA and forgot about state transition table and definition. So student prepared all these 3 things to get 5 out of 5 marks. Thank you.